goldmine. Social media marketing is all about using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to connect with your audience. It's not just about posting cat memes, although who doesn't love a good cat meme? You use social media to share content, engage with followers, and ultimately drive traffic to your website. Think of it as building a community around your brand. The more you engage, the more loyal your followers become. But it's not just about likes and shares. Social media marketing can boost your SEO, increase sales, and give you insights into your customers' needs. With the right strategy, you can turn casual scrollers into loyal customers. So whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, remember, social media is a powerful tool in your marketing arsenal. Stay tuned as we break down the ultimate strategies to help you succeed.